Hi, this is Maureen Gafanti, President of Rocket Phonics, introducing the Rocket Phonics Play and Read Card Sounds. In your kit, you'll receive 2 sets of 36 cards in a packet with a sheet of instructions on how to introduce the cards and their sounds and a whole bunch of games to play along with it. The cards themselves have a colorful picture of an object and the important the letter that shows the important sound, and you'll notice that there's a colored border around the card, and I hope you can see it in this video, but at the bottom of each card below the letter will be the word that you want to use to introduce that sound. The green cards are all consonants, and we suggest that you start with those in introducing the sounds. They're easier to say and to hear. In this card, the way you would start introducing the sounds is point to the picture and ask the child, what's that a picture of? And he might say, a tuna, and the word is fish. So what you'll say is, a tuna is a kind of fish. That's a fish. And the important sound is as in fish. And notice that I start out pointing to the picture and then move my finger to the sound to help make that link between the picture and the sound. And one other thing, parents often ask us, when we're teaching our child to read, should we start out teaching the name of the letter or the sound? Well, in the process of learning to read, what your child will use is the sound of the letter. So start with that. The name of the letter will come along as you have conversations about it and use it. So again, what's that a picture of? Fish. And the important sound is as in fish. Here's a picture of a gift. The important sound is g, g, as in gift. This is a picture of a horse. The important sound is h, h, as in horse. Here's a picture of a jet. The important sound is j, j, as in jet. This is a kangaroo. The important sound is k, k, as in kangaroo. This is a lion. The important sound is ul, ul, as in lion. Here's a picture of a mom. The important sound is as in mom. This is a picture of a nest. Most times when children first look at this card, they'll notice the eggs. So if they do, just say, yes, there are eggs in that picture. And what are those eggs in? So the word is nest, and the important sound is as in nest. This is a picture of a pig. The important sound is p, p, as in pig. Here's a rat. The important sound is as in rat. This is a sun. The important sound is s, as in sun. Here's a tiger. The important sound is t, t, as in tiger. Here's a van. The important sound is v, v, as in van. This is a wolf. The important sound is w, w, as in wolf. And here's a picture of a yak. The important sound is y, y, as in yak. Here's a picture of a zebra. The important sound is z, z, as in zebra. The next set of cards with the red border are short vowels. And again, point to the picture. This is a picture of an apple. The important sound is a. A as in apple. These are eggs. The important sound is e. E as in eggs. Here's a picture of a man with an itch. The important sound is I. I as in itch. And this is an otter. The important sound is ah. Ah as in otter. Here's a duck. And the important sound is as in duck. This is a picture of a bee. The important sound is b as in bee. Here's a picture of chips. The important sound is ch as in chips. This is a picture of a dog. D as in dog. And here's a picture of a ship. The important sound is sh as in ship. This is a picture of a thimble. The important sound is th as in thimble. And when I introduce this card, since very few kids have ever seen a thimble, I'll bring the thimble in and pass it around and let the children each try the thimble on and talk about how it's used. Here's a picture of a baby bathing. And the important sound is v as in bathe. And to help the students remember the difference between the two sounds, one of our parents came up with the idea that this sound is kind of like a bumpy road, and you can see the broken line underneath it, so it makes our mouths vibrate when we say it. And this card has a straight line, a smooth line under it, just like a smooth road, and it makes a smooth sound when we say it. So the th and the th. This is a picture of treasure, and the important sound is zh, zh as in treasure. The borders that are pink are for the vowel digraphs, and these are the long vowels as well as the vowel blends. Here's a picture of an ape. The important sound is A. A as in ape. This is an eagle, and the important sound is E. E as in eagle. These are ties. The important sound is I. I as in tie. This is a picture of a goat. The important sound is O. O as in goat. And this is a picture of food. The important sound is oo. Oo as in food. Here's a picture of a foot. The important sound is as in foot. And a picture of a cow. The important sound is ow. Ow as in cow. And this is a picture of toys. The important sound is oi. Oi as in toys.